So these are the 5 major characteristics or features of epithelium. Number 1, we said they have little intercellular space. Number 2, they are avascular. Number 3, they show surface modification. Number 4, they show polarity. And number 5, they rest on basement membrane. These are the 5 characteristics of epithelium. With that, we go to the functions of epithelium. Epithelium has several functions. Functions of epithelium. Functions of epithelium. The functions of epithelium can be remembered by using the mnemonic PASE. P-A-S-E. P-A-S-E. PASE. Now, what is the meaning of P? P simply means protective function. So epithelium provides protection to some parts of the body. For example, if you look at the skin has a particular epithelium. We are going to talk about that later, which provides protection. When that epithelium is destroyed, infections can enter into the body. A means absorptive function. Absorptive function. The epithelium in some region of the body help to bring about absorption. S means secretion. Secretive function. Some epithelium in the body help to secrete some substances that the body may need. For example, the epithelium that may line a gland may help the gland to secrete hormones that the body may need. E here means excretion. Excretion is the removal of waste products from the body, and some epithelium may help in that purpose. These are some of the functions of epithelium. There are other functions of epithelium. After looking at the function of epithelium, the next aspect we need to talk about is what we refer to as the classification of epithelium. You need to know the classification of epithelium. Now let's go over to this way. Epithelium can be classified depending on 1, the shape of the epithelium, and 2, the layers of the epithelium. So what is the basis for classifying epithelium? Number 1, depending on the shape of the epithelium, and number 2, depending on the layers of the epithelium. So now let's classify epithelium depending on the shape. Classifying epithelium depending on the shape, we have 3 major types of epithelium. Whenever an epithelium is flat, you refer to this epithelium as squamous. So the first epithelium classification depending on shape is what? Squamous epithelium. Now, squamous simply means flat. So let's say this is an epithelium that is flat. We refer to this epithelium as a squamous epithelium. But when you look at this epithelium, you are going to observe that the height of this epithelium is small compared to the width. The width of the epithelium is more than the height. So for an epithelium that has a larger or a longer width